proudly brought to you by Mediatek. Mediatek, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to write IMEI onto a Mediatek Android phone using MiracleBox. So I'm launching MiracleBox 2. On the MiracleBox interface, we'll press Ctrl key plus M to enable IMEI. Now, click IMEI switched off. Tick the checkbox beside New in bracket BT. This mode will make it connect to the phone using preloader port. Now write the original IMEI of the device. Finally, we'll click the Start button. Once we click Start button, we'll connect the Android phone using USB cable to the PC. So here we can see the device is connected as preloader. Once IMEI is written successfully, you will get the message IMEI OK. Now we can disconnect the phone from the PC. Remove the battery, reinsert the battery, and power on the phone to check. So you can see the IMEI we've written 749, 749.